Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. I have a few pieces to show you. So this is from Coco Neige collection, and I will get to that here in just a bit. I will show you, this is 22K. So this is one that I know a couple of you were asking about. It's very oversized. And then this is 22K as well. More traditional jacket. And then these two pieces, which I cannot wait to try on. So I just have these four for now. My next video will probably be cruise. So I will have a preview of that here shortly. And so I'll get started trying these and see what you all think. I'm so curious about this. Oh, before I do that, let me go through the tags. So this one here is a 36, 4,200. And here's the tag. Jacket. This one here is the info. Price $82.50. You know what they should have done? Made this reversible. How cool is the inside tweed? And this tweed should be out here. Just my 2 cents. Chanel, listen to me. This jacket here, 22K. This is a 34, so obviously it's running a bit oversized. Right now I am a 38, not a 36 anymore. So when I try these, that gives you some perspective on sizing. I've been told this is way oversized. Here's the tag for it. Here is this tag and this one. Okay, so here's the four. I will get started. Hi everyone, this is my first piece. This is a size 34. It's 100% wool. Get your buttons reinforced. That's all I can say. I can't get anywhere close to squeezing my arms here, so as much as they said it's oversized in the arms, it's very tight. Now they can take up to 2 sizes out in the underneath the armpit area, so that gives you an idea. So here's the shot from a distance and the back here. Cute, too traditional for me. Am I gonna spend my money on a more boring piece when there's too many pieces that are not boring? And this one's really pricey, but here you go. Let me show you what the buttons look like. Very pretty buttons on this particular one. And now I'll try the next jacket. Okay, this is a 36. It's big. It needs to be like a 30, but it's designed to be oversized. There is the long shot of this. I think it's cool. It's 88% wool, 12% polyamide, if I'm not mistaken. And it sort of has this hobo, okay, my daughter calls it the homeless look, but it has like a hobo vibe to it. This is what it looks like in the back. And when I look at it from the front, so, you know, obviously the pockets will make it more casual, right? The pockets here. When I look at it from the back or from the front, I think it has cute potential, but is it worth the price? Not to me. So it would be a pass, but I want to show you the buttons on this one. Very cool. And pockets here as well as here. So the side slip pockets here and pockets here. The hem on the bottom, if you can't see it, is just a straight hem. And nothing different or unique on the back. No tapering or tailoring or any of that kind of thing. It's just kind of boxy, and it's very chic if it were a few sizes smaller, which we could tailor. But with cruise coming out in a week, I think it's released on November 8th. With cruise coming out in a week, I just don't see this being something that I want to spend my money on. So I'm just going to show you the pink outfit, and then I'll be wrapped up for today. Okay, I don't ski, just full disclosure. I hate the cold. Here's the pants. I feel like the Marshmallow Man. These are both a 36, 100% polyamide. And they're poofy for sure. Here's the back. If I went to the snow or skied, I think these would be amazing. They're cute, not warm, but cute. But you know, what am I gonna do with this, right? In California, I wanted to try them, but no. The jacket, you can see by the way in this back mirror how they fit. Like I said, they're both 36. I would say the pants fit fine. Keep in mind I'm a 38. Pants is fine. This is big. Should be a 34 for me. So I would say pants are pretty true to size, maybe a little bit big. Jacket's big. I like the pockets. They're pretty cool. I'm going to try reversing this because this is how I think they should have made it. It's reversible. No, they screwed up the arms. Okay, if the rest of the tweed was only this, we could have had maybe let's give this a try. Maybe we could have had a more interesting jacket. Okay. You see the tweed here? That would have been cool, but no. So this is a hard pass. All of them are a hard pass for me. And yeah, you can see what it looks like in the back with or without the pink puff. So the pink marshmallow is not going to happen for me. It is a detachable hood for those of you interested. If you're in a colder climate or you live in a snowy area, I think it's cool. The pants, let me show you the pants. The pants by themselves are actually kind of cute. I just don't know where I would wear them. I mean, I guess to brunch. They do have a zip pocket. I was thinking they need a pocket. They do. They have a zip pocket. Yeah, so that's what these look like. And I feel like they make me bigger than I am. The bottom looks like this. It's a white kind of cuff thing. And then this is what the back looks like. It kind of flattens the butt, to be honest. It's not, it's too much fabric here on the bottom, and it doesn't shape the butt in the way that I think most of us would like our butts shaped. Okay, so that is my quick overview of 4 pieces from 22K and 22N, Neige and Fall 2. Kind of the last 4 that I'll be trying until the cruise collection. So look forward to seeing you all next week for cruise, and I will get the video up as soon as possible. For those of you looking for pieces, as you know, you need to get on a list, particularly if it's a sought after piece, quick. If it rolls out the 8th, 9th, 10th, the really good stuff's gone. So I'll do my best to get the video up quickly. Thank you for watching. If you find my videos helpful, I would love it if you would subscribe and share what you'd like me to talk about, record, film, what else would help you. Been working on the tags and content and fabric and fit, but I'm sure there's more. So I would love to hear what you need. And this is a strong passion of mine, so I hope it comes across. And thank you for watching.